Assalamu alaikum everyone, once again Satya Gondal here from Javed Publishers. Today we will be continuing with Kids English Grade 5, Chapter number 8, Rock Climbing. So let's start. Page number 56 pe, today we will be doing grammar section. First part is about possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Possessive pronouns show ownership. For example, when you say, this glass is mine, तो यहाँ पे जो वर्ड माइन है इट्स शोइंग ओनरशिप कि ये चीज़ आपकी है. एंड पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स ये भी ओनरशिप को ही शो करते हैं, लेकिन इनको आइडेंटिफाई करने का तरीका ये है कि ये नाउन से पहले यूज़ होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल माय हाउस, यहाँ पे माय पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव है और हाउस आपका नाउन है. लेट्स डू द सेंटेंसेस नाउ. द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज दिस इज़ माय हाउस, This house is mine. यहाँ पे आपको कहा गया है underline possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. My house यहाँ पे adjective है, possessive adjective, and mine is possessive pronoun. Next sentence is these are your books. The books are yours. यहाँ पे your books possessive adjective है and yours is noun. C is Tommy has his dog. Here his is possessive adjective and the dog is his. This is possessive pronoun. यहाँ पे नोटिस कीजिए कि his का possessive pronoun और possessive adjective की एक ही फॉर्म है. D is the cat is sitting on its tree house. Here its is possessive adjective. E is that is their car. Their over here is possessive adjective and that car is theirs. This is possessive pronoun. Next question आपसे ये कहा गया है use above pronoun and adjectives in your sentences and write them down in your notebook. तो चलिए इनके sentences frame करते हैं. आप my house, आप my की जगह पे ये sentence कर सकते हैं this is my class, or you can say this class is mine. Next is your. I like your colors. और जब आप इसको possessive pronoun में यूज़ करेंगे तो you can say these colors are yours. Aisha has his parrot. और इसको जब आप possessive pronoun की फॉर्म में इसको लिखेंगे तो you can say this parrot is her. अच्छा, आपने एक चीज़ नोटिस करनी है, जब आप his यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो possessive pronoun और possessive adjective सेम है, लेकिन जब आप her यूज़ करेंगे तो आप her के साथ s यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे हमने अभी कहा the parrot is hers, HERS. फीमेल के लिए आप s यूज़ करेंगे, लेकिन जब आप मेल की बात करें तो it's just going to remain his. Now the next grammar activity is of modal verbs. आपके पास can, may, shall, should, would, all of these are modal verbs. और ये verbs हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हमने कोई ड्यूटी शो करनी हो, कोई ऑब्लिगेशन शो करनी हो, कोई ऐसी बात करनी हो जिसमें हमें must का एलिमेंट डालना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल You should respect your elders. यहाँ पे जो ये word should यूज़ हो रहा है, it means that it is your duty to respect your elders. Next is you should not break traffic rules. Again, आप किसी चीज़ को ड्यूटी बना रहे हैं बट साथ में आप ऐड कर रहे हैं not. It is your duty not to break traffic rules. Now let's use should and should not in our sentences. You should do your homework on time, or you should not say no to your parents' requests, or you should finish your food, और you should not litter your streets. ये मैंने आपको 4 sentences बना कर दिए हैं अभी should और should not के साथ. Now let's do the next exercise which is about joining words. Joining words को आप conjunctions भी कहते हैं, and we use these words to join one idea with the other idea. For example, A. Is Muhib your brother or cousin? B. Farah likes chocolates and her sister likes ice cream. C. They rushed to the hospital as it was an emergency. D. I will read a novel or I will write an essay. E. She usually cooks at home since she likes cooking. तो यहाँ पे और, and, as और since ये सारे words एक आइडिया को दूसरे आइडिया के साथ ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं और हमें कंजंक्शंस यूज जब हम करते हैं तो हम दो आइडियाज़ के बीच ऑप्शंस भी दे रहे होते हैं कि यू कैन डू दिस और दैट, या फिर हम दो आइडियाज़ को एक सेंटेंस में ज्वाइन कर रहे होते हैं. Next exercise is about position and direction words. Position and direction words are those words which give you the exact location of the object. For example, on, under, or direction words are left, right, north, south, east, west. So let's use them in our sentences. The first position word is on. The cat is on the table. Next position word is under. My shoes are under the bed. Next position word is between. He is standing between his mother and father. Next direction word is right. Sit on the right side of the chair. Thank you so much for watching. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. Keep watching and keep yourself connected to Javed Publishers Bolti Kitabain.